Okay, so this is the canopy bow sitting on the rollers, sitting in the tracks. On the passenger side, between the top of the canopy track and the bottom of that square tube on the canopy here, on the canopy frame, I got 1 3/80, so about 1 3/8. As I come over here to the other side, you can see there's 1 3/8, and you can see, oh shit, let me just measure it here. That same distance on this side, I'm at 1/6/36, so about 1 5/8. And that's the distance, the same distance as I measured on the other side. Now, look at the shape of the canopy here. You can see that the front canopy bow on the 640 is flush on the sides, pretty much, with the roll bar, and then it grows, and it comes up to the top, and at the top up here, if I measure that with a straight edge and a level like this, I don't have another hand, but if I measure this, I get the 3/8 of an inch. The airplane is level as far as the canopy deck's right now, level, and the distance I get from the top of the canopy bow to the top of the roll bar is 3/8 of an inch. It's about 400 thousandths, so just a hair more. So, and the symmetry of the two parts is, I mean, really good in my opinion. But, you know, we've got this distance on this side, 200 of an inch greater between here and here than on the passenger side. It's 1/4 inch less here. And the two pieces, this canopy came, I cut the same distance off each side. So when I got that, this is the left side, and this is the right side, pieces that I cut off that. You can see the factory bottom on the right side, and you can see the factory bottom on the left side. So I cut off an equal amount, and I knew that they were not the same when I cut them, and I saved the pieces. But that's the dilemma that I'm in right now, is I've got unevenness, and I don't quite have my parallelism between the canopy deck and the bottom of this tube. I think I need to raise the back just a little bit, but I'm trying to get the front nailed down first. I think I'm going to take a little bit off here, but then the other thing you got to look at is my roll bar is damn near perpendicular to that canopy frame, and you can see that the gap between the front bow and the roll bar is a little bit greater at the top, and that will decrease when I raise the back of the canopy bow, but it's still, and it will help if I take a little more off here, and I'll sacrifice a little bit of my 400 thousandths here. It'll drop the front and I'll raise the back. That angle will get more in line or more parallel. So anyway, that's what I'm dealing with. And I'm afraid if I don't cut equal amounts off of each side to lower the front, if I try to take 1/4 inch off this side which will make these two even side to side, then this side's going to be lower. I'm going to lose my symmetry on the right side. And it's damn near perfect left and right, at least in my opinion. Actually, it might be a little bit higher on the left than on the passenger side than the pilot side. So I'm just looking for guidance on this. You can also see that the pin here reflects that 1/4 of an inch. This is about a 1/4 of an inch less than the distance on the pilot side. So the back of the canopy here is a little higher on the pilot side than the passenger side, and just like this is lower over here, this is lower. That's higher, and that's higher. But yet I got my symmetry here on the frames. So anyway, that's what I'm dealing with. Thank you.